they are Muslims. Wherever Owaisi would see a terrorist, he would send his lawyers.
Exactly. Now the system is gone.
So this
now their equation algorithms are gone.
and
So
I'm not saying only Muslims, to be clear. No religion will be blocking roads.
Exactly.
No religion, and you can't say हमें जगह नहीं है तो हम सड़कों पे नमाज करेंगे.
They have jagah also.
It's been told, unless you want to try this whole Sambhal model, unless they want to try the Sambhal model in which you will get the Sambhal treatment.
Sambhal
Right?
treatment from the court and
Sambhal model try करेंगे तो Sambhal treatment मिलेगा. आपको पता चला परसों क्या judgment हुई. सरकार की judgment नहीं थी. It was a judgment of the court on the Hindu right to worship. So the country is seeing a lot of things change. I'll tell you one thing, Omar, you fall in line.
Exactly.
You don't think that you are the next Zakir Naik. You are not. And every place from Kalburgi to Kolkata is changing. Don't think Kalburgi mein nahi hoga. Same, what happens in Kolkata will happen in Kalburgi also, where you are right now. Understood, no?
Arnab, the things which make me laugh, I be very, serious to the point on the topics. But what makes me laugh is the statement you gave. The Muslims are offering the namaz on the roads to show the strength. I mean, why only Friday prayers are left for the Muslims to show the strength? They have 5 times prayers, Arnab. Daily 5 times. If the Muslim community wanted to show the strength, they would have shown it every day 5 times.
Achha, how would you? Zara bataiye na. No, 1 minute. Just explain how you. He has made a Waris Pathan Owaisi comment. If we wanted to show our strength, we will show it 5 times a day. तो आओ ना दिखाओ, आजमाते हैं.
अरे भाई
कैसे दिखाओगे जब बताओ आप तो इनको बताइए ना. He's threatening. He's trying to use this threatening language. So Shantanu, Tuin, are you understand? But only thing is nobody is feeling threatened.
You threatened me. What is happening in Kolkata will happen at Kalburgi. You threatened me.
Yes.
I am asking you the
question. Why are you feeling threatened by what is happening in Kolkata?
Show the strength. Then
the more
the Muslim community showed it every day 5 times. But the point is, it is.
Why is your voice shivering? Why is your voice quivering? Why is your voice quivering today? Why is your voice quivering?
Arnab, the more... No 5 times, no 1 time.
My only point is...
Let alone 5 times, you can't show 1 time.
On this state is not the show of strength. It is the situation wherein the masjid gets filled up because of the importance of the Friday.
तो घर में करिए.
घर में करिए.
अरे खुतबा घर में नहीं होता है ना रब जी.
अच्छा कल
कैसे नहीं होगा? मैंने सुप्रीम कोर्ट आपको जजमेंट सुनाया.
ये कह रहे हैं कि नहीं होता है, मुझे सड़क में करना पड़ेगा. Now viewers, this is the interesting part of the debate. Nobody will disturb him. I'll ask a question to him. Omar, I want to understand the mentality. One minute. Omar made a comment कि घर पे नहीं होता है, हम सड़कों पे करेंगे.
मैंने ऑलरेडी इसका जवाब दिया था. There is a specific 1994 Supreme Court judgment, but if you don't agree with that, then at least show me the specific verse, the specific paragraph in Quran which says that, you can't do it at home. Show me that, na?
Sir ji,
the question is, why do you want to do it on the roads?
No, it is not about coming on the road, Arnab.
It is about coming on the roads.
No, we don't want to come on the roads.
Then don't come.
There are several mosques which are big enough that can accommodate several thousand people. But
do that then. You have the solution.
Namaz on Friday.
I
was on a previous show with Zafar Sareshwala. The very practical Zafar Sareshwala, and he listed out at least 5 mosques in Mumbai where, different slots are given because the mosques are small, they can't accommodate everybody, so slots are given to people, to worshippers, for them to offer namaz over there. There are practical solutions. You speak to Zafar Sareshwala, he will enlighten you.
अरे सर, पूजा की मुहूर्त 10 बार होती है क्या सर? एक पूजा 10 बार होती है क्या? मुहूर्त अलग-अलग 10 बार
नहीं, आप उनको जो है, उन्होंने स्पेसिफिकली जो है, You want me to you
मिनिस्टर
you
कैसे
check
बात
out
करते
that
हैं?
particular
मूवमेंट से
video
क्या करता है क्या?
on YouTube. I am not saying it. I am quoting what he has said, and he has specifically mentioned 5 mosques in Mumbai, where different 15-minute slots are given. See, what I am trying to say is that I'm just giving you an equivalent situation. Tomorrow during church, if people say that the church is crowded,
Sir, you
will
are
they assemble on
instigating
the
me to
road?
do
They will not
Hindu
assemble on
Muslim.
the.
What
They will
about
not
the
assemble
Ganesh
on the road,
Pandals?
right?
What about the
If
Durga
during
Pandals? The
Janmashtami,
mandals
if
on the
during
road,
Janmashtami
5 days, 7 days,
the
11
Krishna
days.
temple
What
is
are
full,
those,
it
sir?
cannot accommodate people.
What are
People
those,
will
sir?
not start.
Sir, let me
People will
No,
not.
I think it's,
start
okay,
Bhagwan
now,
Krishna
now
at midnight
the
on
choice
street,
is,
right?
no, the choice is simple
But the
here.
point is, it is a country of democracy, unity in diversity.
What
अरे, 10 मिनट के लिए पढ़ लेते तो what is the problem,
No,
sir?
no,
Why
but there
do
is
we
a
need
big
to
problem.
say why it
Okay,
was from us?
now we are being given lectures. Just a minute, viewers. Can I speak to the audience here? Viewers, I want to take a moment from this debate to ask you something. We are being told India is a democracy, and hence we must allow thousands of Muslims, hundreds of thousands of Muslims if necessary,
No,
to go on the streets
Nobody's saying that.
and do namaz. My question is,